Okay, hello to everybody. My name is Dmytro Sakhno and this is Sergii Yuryk. I am customer loyalty manager at Kyivstar, biggest mobile operator in Ukraine, and Sergii is a developer in our team. We decided to accept challenge from Carrefour. And what's our idea and what's an issue? Have you ever been interested what food buy and eat your friends, your fitness trainer, your yoga trainer, maybe some famous restaurant critics, or your crazy vegan friend which try to promote vegan life for you? And our idea is to let these people share their purchases at Carrefour. Every day or every week they make purchases and thousands of checks are going to Carrefour database which nobody could see except Carrefour. So our idea is to share this data and that everybody who wants they could follow anybody for whom they want. How it works? Carrefour customer pays for his check at the cash box and he identify himself with loyalty card. Data with his purchase list go to Carrefour server, which I think already works now, and then Carrefour server send notification to customer's mobile app, and the customer automatically get offered to share his purchase list in application. He could edit this list or he could reject to share it if he want or doesn't want. When he allows, his purchase list go to the news feed where everybody who follows him could check what this customer buy today. Okay, we will demonstrate you how works our application, some small demo video. Let's start. So you log in your application. For login, we use loyalty card number. You enter your loyalty card number, for example, only 01. Then you get SMS for confirmation that it's really you, not somebody else. You enter SMS and you get to your news feed. You could follow people who are already following, could see the purchase list, you could see photo of the purchases if they make it. So for example, you see fitness trainer, maybe it's especially interested for those who care about their diet. You could search for people who is in this application. Also, you have a profile where you can set your privacy settings. You can create groups with whom you want to share information or with whom you doesn't want to share. Okay, let's show our presentation. Again. Okay. Share their data. Celebrities, bloggers, chefs at restaurants, they could get absolutely new platform to communicate with their already existing followers. They could attract new followers. Also, they could promote themselves and this application like experts in food industry. Also, these people, celebrities and bloggers, they could monetize their blog in this application because they could promote groceries and food of different FMCG companies. For example, FMCG company pays them money and they buy their products, and followers of these bloggers could see that they love these products. Also, fitness, yoga trainers and so on also could promote themselves as experts in food industry and advertise their purchase list. Also, customers could get recommendations about their data, for example, for their diet. For example, if your doctor follows you, he could check your purchase list and recommend you to stop buying something or to start buying something new which will be more healthy for you. And of course, the main reason people like to share their data, why do they share data in Instagram? Just because they like it. And why is it interesting for customers to follow somebody in this application? As I said previously, they want to satisfy their curiosity about life of other people, what they eat. Also, they choose somebody diet. For example, I could choose some celebrity and eat everything which this celebrity eats. So we have the same diet with this celebrity. I think it could be very interesting, especially for girls. And also I could discover new products. Every day I buy the same products and I want to discover something new, but I have a lack of imagination. I just check purchase list of somebody else, find some new products already in application. I could add them to my future purchase list, and there at Carrefour I could buy it. And also try to think for a minute, how many people's diet are you interested to check and follow, and how many people's your mom or your girlfriend would like to check and follow. I think it will be most interesting for women audience. Okay, and the main reason why we are here is profit. Everything is made for profit, and where is the profit for Carrefour in this application? First of all, it improves customer experience. It changes your buying experience. If without this application, people just buy stuff and that's all. It's only his personal issue. But when he share his purchase list, it became social. He socialized, and everybody else could interact with them and discuss his purchase list. Also, this application helped to retain customers. It's one of the main issue for retailers to retain their current customers. For example, if customer want to share his purchase list, he should buy food only in Carrefour, because this application is working only with Carrefour, because Carrefour provide data automatically. So he won't go to another retail store. Also, it could attract new customers. If somebody doesn't use Carrefour, but he wants to share his purchase list, he ought to go to Carrefour and start buying stuff there. Also, Carrefour could promote their loyalty program with help of this application, because it's possible to allow people to use this application only if he have a loyalty program card, because identification is made by loyalty program card. Also, this application could increase average bill of each customer. Why? Because when people show their purchase list to everybody else in public, they want to show how healthy they are, how good food they contribute. So that's why maybe they will change their purchase list to buy better and more expensive goods. Also, this application could help collect data about customers. Carrefour could get know friends list of his customers. He could find who is the most influencing to another customers. And another way of earning money in this application is earning money from promotion of FMCG companies' goods in this application. For example, Coca-Cola could pay money to Carrefour, and Carrefour will show purchase list with Coca-Cola at the top of news feed. And how to promote it? Also, advantage of this application that it is easy to promote it. Carrefour already have huge customer base, and it already have 3 millions of installation of its own application. We offer to add this new module with the purchase list to current application. So in one day, Carrefour will get 3 millions of users of this application. Also, Carrefour, if this application will be implemented, one of the main points is to create content. the most interesting people, it's the celebrities, bloggers, and so on, and Carrefour should motivate them to use this application. And also for promotion could be used different traditional channels, and one of the main that this application could be really viral, because people could start to share purchase list of another person of their purchase list and could promote this application by themselves. Oh, and final slide. What is the best in this idea? First of all, that idea is 100% careful customer experience orientated, and it could bring profit. Idea is big, flexible, scalable. You could improve it as you want. Also, as I said before, Carrefour already have big customer base, and it's easy to promote application among them. And idea is simple and it's really new. Thank you for your attention. We'll be glad to answer your questions.